The Konjunktiv-II in the past. The Konjunktiv-II has only one past form for regular and irregular verbs, and it's beautifully simple. And it's based on the perfect tense as so many other past forms. Let's take a look. Please keep in mind
that the conjunctive is the opposite of what is, of reality. You will understand what I mean in a minute.
Let's say we have the situation that you haven't slept enough. Ich habe nicht genug geschlafen. And that's reality. Now, you wished it was different from reality, and therefore you have to use the Konjunktiv-II.
Ich hätte gern länger geschlafen. I would have liked to sleep longer.
And as the perfect can be used with haben or sein, another example with to be. Ich bin zu spät aufgestanden. I got up too late. And you wished you had gotten up later. Earlier. Ich
wäre gern früher aufgestanden.
And you see, all we do is to put the habe into its Konjunktiv-II form, which is hätte, and you are very familiar with this form already, and the bin into its Konjunktiv-II form, wäre. This is it. No magic. Once you're familiar with the perfect tense, this past form is a piece of cake, I hope. Make sure to go through all the exercises to really make yourself familiar with it and enjoy the rest of the course. Vielen, vielen Dank für deine Aufmerksamkeit und weiterhin viel Vergnügen mit deinem Deutsch. Ja.